Asset Center at the American Survival School and Emergency Training Center in Idaho. Got a special update on a 6.4 earthquake that occurred this morning in Puerto Rico. Stand by for more information. Alright, this morning in Puerto Rico at 4:24 local time, which is 3:24 Eastern time, they had a 6.4 earthquake. It was on the southern coast of the island, about 6 miles offshore and about 10 kilometers deep on the according to the USGS. Nearby in the town of Ponce, one man died and 8 others were severely injured. There are still reports of injuries coming in. It was followed by several aftershocks, including one 5.8 aftershock. Now, in this image we have from the USGS, shows all the quakes, aftershocks, pre-shocks, and everything else involved with the quake. The blue dot is the 6.4 earthquake. The red dots are those that have occurred in the last hour. The orange dots, those in the last 24 hours, and the yellow, anything before that, up to 7 days ago. As you can see by all the little small yellow ones, there were a lot of precursor earthquakes for this quake. In this image here, we have the intensity shake map. If you look at the legend down below, you'll see that this was a severe earthquake. It had 3 areas that were shaken severely, and then about 6 areas that were in the very strong range, and then diminishing thereafter. It went all the way over to the Virgin Islands and to Santo Domingo. And here is a same map, only using wave lines to show the intensity of the shakes as it spread out. So you can exactly see that, San Juan was impacted, and several of the other major cities were impacted as well down there. And there you have it. We've had a 6.4 earthquake, south shore of Puerto Rico, 10 kilometer depth. 1 person has died in the city of Ponce, 8 others severely injured in that city. We still have information coming in as far as other injuries throughout the island. So tune into your major news outlets. They have people down there on the scene and be able to give you more up-to-date information on it. So in the meantime, stay safe, get prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.